Hello everyone, this is Dixie with Crowley Museum and Nature Center for today's installment of Mystery Monday. Now I am giving you a hint when you are looking at this video. Additionally, I will say that what you're looking at are the larval form of a species that as an adult would be easier to identify. But the reason that I'm doing this, actually there's two reasons, is one, learning to identify larvae at the various developmental stages, also called instars, can be more difficult. They don't always look like the adult, as you will see when we reveal which species this is for Mystery Monday. The other two are still on the back of my hand. And you can see these two are different sizes, so they are different instars or developmental stages. One of the reasons that I wanted to do this video was because I found all three of these guys in the same location where county mowers had come and mowed a ditch full of native wildflowers and the plant that's in my hand that I'm not going to tell you what it is because I want you to be able to research it. In doing so, they robbed these babies of their food source, and had I not seen them, they would have fallen victim to some other animal or insect or just simply died. And of course that is the course of nature if it wasn't for the fact that they were killed by human activity. I like to show these videos and talk about these subjects because a lot of people don't think about that. These little guys become a form of pollinator when they are adults. Right now, some people consider them pests for exactly what you might see this guy start doing, and that is eating this plant. This plant is this species' larval host plant. That means the adults will lay eggs on it, the babies emerge, and they subsist on the plant that their parents laid them on until they are ready to go into the pupa state. And when they do that, I don't want to disclose too much and give it away, but when they do that, they no longer feed. When they emerge as adults, they pollinate wildflowers and the flowers on crops such as citrus and vegetables and fruits and other things that must be pollinated in order for us to have them produce food. Pardon the brief interruption. A horsefly was just trying to make dinner out of me and I needed to stop for a second. So while I did that, I went ahead and transferred them to this rearing case. I will continue rearing these larvae on the host plant, some of which I grow myself since they were robbed of the host plant in the area where their parents deposited the egg, where their mother deposited the egg. So I will raise them, and when they are adults, I will let them go so that they can carry out their natural inclinations while also helping to pollinate flowers that will produce fruits and vegetables for both people and animals. So in today's Mystery Monday, what I ask of you is this. Look closely at these guys. What are they? And what is this that they're hosting on? Of course, always extra cool points are given to those who give the scientific name simply because common names can be misconstrued because sometimes there's more than one common name for a given species, but there is only one Latin name or binomial scientific name. So that is my message. My message is also please consider letting native plants and grow on part of your property as well as native wildflowers. It doesn't hurt anything to let them grow, and as you can see, it definitely hurts to cut them or to keep a monoculture lawn. It is much more ecologically friendly and it's much more humane to let some of your property, if not all of it, have native plants on it. You can manage that. They can be enjoyable, they can be beautiful, and as you can see here, they can be food for little guys who later help secure food for you. So thank you for listening and good luck.